Good morning, Standard 9 students. From this exercise 23C, some more question I am going to solve. Then you have to complete this exercise. But all the question are you have to solve by the same process. No difference in the question. Only the question is written in the different way. Right? Like 12 second cos x by 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. Cos x by 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. It is given. Now in this question we have to find the value of x. What is the degree of x? That we have to find. We can write cos x by 3 is equal to 1. So we write down. Easily we can write. Now put the value of 1 or in which value of angle of cos it is coming 1. Then we know that cos 0 degree is equal to 1. So in place of 1 we will put cos 0 degree. So cos x by 3 is equal to cos 0 degree. Now when we compare, equal sign is there, compare x by 3 is equal to 0 degree. X is equal to 0 into 3, that is 0 degree. So what is the value of x? X is 0 degree. Cos x by 2 plus 10 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Again here we have to find the value of x. Same process, same rule. We will put the value. Here cos x by 2 plus 10 degree. Now we will put the value of cos in which it is cos degree in which it is coming root 3 by 2. Then we know cos 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So write here cos 60 degree. Now equal sign is there. When we compare, don't cancel. You have to compare this. So x by 2 plus 10 degree is equal to 60 degree. So x by 2 is equal to 60 minus, not 60, 30 degree. Right, root 3 by 2, 30 degree. Cos sin 60 root 3 by 2. So cos is 30. So here 30 minus 10 degree. So x by 2 is equal to 20 degree. So x is equal to 40 degree. So what is the value? X value is 40 degree. So by mistake I put the value root 3 by 2 of sin 1. But here cos is there, so we have to put the value cos. And we know the cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin square 60 degree plus cos square 3x minus 9 degree is equal to 1. Right. So we have to find the value of x. So one angle sin 60 given. So we will put the value of given angle first. Let's put the value of given angle first. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 and there square plus cos square 3x minus 9 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 means 3 by 4 plus cos square 3x minus 9 degree is equal to 8. So this becomes cos square 3x minus 9 degree is equal to 1 minus 3 by 8. So this is equal to 4 minus 3. So cos square 3x minus 9 degree is equal to 1 by 4. Cos square 3x minus 9 degree is equal to 1 by 4. So cos square is 1. What is the value of cos? 3x minus 9 degree value. That is root over 1 by 8. So this becomes cos 3x minus 9 degree 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. 8. So cos 3x minus 9 degree 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is cos 60. Cos 60 1 by 2. So in place of 1 by 2 we will write cos 60 degree. Now there is equal sign. Now compare. So when we compare 3x minus 9 is equal to 60 degree. So 3x is equal to 69 degree. So x is equal to 23 degree. What is the answer? 23 degree. So you can see all the questions are the same type. Third, 2 cos square a minus 3 cos a plus 1 is equal to 0. 8. Whenever 3 terms, we have to split the middle terms. Whenever even number of terms, 4, 6, 8, arrange the term, we are arranging the term and taking the common. Here 3 terms are there. If you have problem in splitting the middle term directly, let cos a is equal to x. So it becomes 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now split the middle term. So we can 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. 8. So what is common here? 2x common, x minus 1. What is common? Minus 1, x minus 1 is common. So we get x minus 1 and 2x minus 1 is equal to 8. So x minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 1. Second equation also 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 1 by 2. Now put the value of x. X we have suppose cos x a or x cos a. Cos a is equal to 1. So cos a is equal to cos 0 degree 1. So when we compare a is equal to 0. Second, this one x is equal to 1 by 2. Cos x is cos a. 1 by 2 is cos 60 degree. So a is equal to 60 degree. 8. 2 value. Question number 15. 2 cos a plus b is equal to 2 sin a minus b is equal to 1. Then we have to find the value of a and b. Since cos 2 cos a plus b is equal to 1. Also 2 sine a minus b, it is also equal to 1. So one by one we will solve this question. 2 cos a plus b is equal to 1. It means cos a plus b is equal to 1 by 2. So cos a plus b 1 by 2 means cos 60 degree. So a plus b is equal to 60 degree. One equation. Second, sine 2 sine a minus b is equal to also equal to 1. So sine a minus b is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means sine 30 degree. So when we compare a minus b is equal to 30 degree. Now from these two equations, we will solve this analysis and get the value of a and b. A plus b is equal to 60 degrees, it is first. A minus b is equal to 30 degree, it is second. Add first plus second. When you will add, you can see this is plus b plus minus b cancel. A plus a 2a, 60 plus 30, 90 degree. So a is equal to 45 degree. Right. After finding one value, put the value of a in equation 1 or 2, any one. So a is 45 degree from first, plus b is equal to 60 degree. So b is equal to 15 degree. So a is equal to 45 degree and b is equal to 15 degree. This is our answer. Thank you very much. Some more questions I will solve next day. Thank you.